Alright, somebody get a phone and copy these coordinates down because he's hunkered down under some trees. 28.106791 minus 81.145722. Star 2. I believe I got an extra inside hold upon her Suburban. Alright, he just ran the gate. Must driving through somebody's property here. Alright, he ran another gate to get out of it. And as far as the road goes, he's not going to be able to get out unless he comes past you. And stand by, I think he may have just bailed out. Alright, he's out on foot. Alright, he's swimming across the little pond here.
Stop. Full contact.
He's right on top of him. He's right on top of him, guys.
Gun, start for nominal job, sir.
Thank you guys.